There's a difference between being full and satisfied.
Right.
The satiety signal is only released with fat, which is a really interesting thing, because why would that happen unless there was some biological drive for it? Guacamole is fantastic because one thing that, that people find, especially when you're trying to eat a lot of raw foods, is if you don't have enough fat intake, you also tend to feel hungry and unsatisfied.
Right.
So you want to just be careful on what kind of fats you eat. So over the past decade of running people through these programs, I've tested lots of things and seen how they work. And avocados do not interfere with healing. In fact, most people who eat them tend to do better because they actually are happier, more satisfied, or there might just be added benefits to them. They're really great for reducing cholesterol. So that's just an easy thing. There's a whole cascade that happens when you eat a fat where your body releases CCK, cholecystokinin, and that actually is your satiety signal that goes to your brain to let you know, I'm satisfied, I feel good. Because there's a difference between being full and satisfied.
Right.
The satiety signal is only released with fat, which is a really interesting thing because why would that happen unless there was some biological drive for it? So that's why we find that, the omega-3s in the smoothie tend to give that to people. They're full and they're like, whew, I don't need anything else. Yeah. But then if you eat a salad and you don't have any avocado or something, you tend to kind of be, So that Caesar dressing, that does it for you. You have that. I mean, my kids love that. They will eat pounds of kale. If I put that dressing on it, although they'll eat it without dressing too, but they love that dressing, right? My husband and I, that's what we ate last night as our late night snack after we put the kids to bed. I think between the two of us, we had like 3 avocados. We were just scooping it, scooping them up and eating it. It's delicious, Smash it up. You put a little nutritional yeast on top, a little bit of Bragg's aminos, and a little dash of hot sauce, and just home. Yeah, we're wild and crazy like that, right? So, they're fine, and they've got so much nutrition in them. They're fantastic. And now we know that they actually drop cholesterol really rapidly, too. So it's a nice thing to know that, yes, not all fats are built the same, and it depends on the food that they're sitting in. So so specifically omega-3s and avocados, I have zero fears around that. I've seen people eat up to 4 avocados a day and do great.